Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the? In this video, we will look at some of the on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Yonex EZONE 100L. Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket. Lightweight power and control for all levels. Experience precision, comfort, and effortless power with the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 tennis racket, designed to elevate your game on the court. Crafted with high-quality graphite construction, this racket provides exceptional durability, stability, and a responsive feel with every swing. Weighing only 285 grams, it offers a lightweight design that ensures fast maneuverability without sacrificing control. Perfect for players of all skill levels, from beginners to advanced athletes. The 100 square in head size creates a generous sweet spot, delivering forgiveness on off-center shots while enhancing power and spin potential. Combined with the 27-inch length, players can achieve extended reach and improved leverage for deeper shots and powerful serves. The 4 1/8 grip size ensures a comfortable hold, reducing hand fatigue and promoting a confident, secure grip during long matches. Engineered with Yonex's signature frame technology, the EZONE 100L promotes a blend of power and precision, giving players the ability to hit explosive winners while maintaining excellent control from the baseline or at the net. Its balanced performance makes it suitable for a wide range of playing styles, whether you rely on aggressive ground strokes, quick volleys, or tactical all-court play. Ideal for adults seeking a versatile and lightweight racket, the Yonex EZONE 100L 285G 2022 is a trusted choice for players aiming to improve consistency, enhance shot making, and enjoy a comfortable yet competitive edge. Take your tennis performance to the next level with Yonex innovation. Number 2. Babolat Pure Drive 110T. Babolat Pure Drive 110 tennis racket 10th gen. Strung with 16G Babolat Sin Gut, mid-range tension, 4 1/8 inches grip. Unleash your full potential on the court with the Babolat Pure Drive 110 10th gen tennis racket, designed for players who want effortless power, comfort, and precision. Strung with 16G Babolat synthetic gut at mid-range tension, this racket is ready to play right out of the box, offering a perfect balance of responsiveness, control, and durability. Featuring a 110 square in oversized head, the Pure Drive 110 provides a larger sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits while delivering explosive power and spin. The 27.6-inch length gives players extra reach on serves and ground strokes, maximizing leverage and improving shot depth with minimal effort. Add a lightweight build, it offers quick maneuverability, making it an excellent choice for all levels, including those seeking easier handling without compromising performance. Equipped with Babolat's advanced technologies, the 10th General Pure Drive delivers enhanced vibration dampening for superior comfort and reduced arm strain. Its 4 1/8 inches grip size ensures a secure, comfortable hold, ideal for adults who prefer a smaller grip for greater wrist action and spin potential. The sleek design paired with white strings adds a professional touch to this performance-focused racket. Whether you're a beginner learning the fundamentals, an intermediate refining your skills, or a recreational player seeking more power and forgiveness, the Babolat Pure Drive 110 10th Gen is engineered to take your game higher. Step onto the court with confidence, control, and the trusted power of Babolat. Number 3. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, 4.5 inches grip, strung with white string graphite frame. Unleash your inner champion with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen Tennis Racket, designed in collaboration with Rafael Nadal for players who demand spin, speed, and raw power. Crafted from premium graphite, this racket delivers outstanding strength, responsiveness, and precision, making it the perfect choice for advanced players who thrive on aggressive baseline play. With its 4.5 inches grip size, the Pure Aero Rafa ensures a comfortable, secure hold, allowing for confident swings and improved wrist control. The 100 square in head size and aerodynamic beam construction enhance racket head speed, giving players the ability to generate maximum spin and depth with every shot. At just 10.2 pounds strung, this racket offers the ideal balance of stability and maneuverability, ensuring you can react quickly at the net or dominate long rallies from the baseline. Strung with white string, it arrives ready for match play, offering excellent control, feel, and durability. Designed for advanced-level players, the 2nd Gen Pure Aero Rafa provides the explosive power and heavy topspin needed to dictate rallies, outlast opponents, and finish points with confidence. Whether you're replicating Nadal's relentless style or carving out your own, this racket combines cutting-edge technology with iconic design inspired by one of the greatest players in tennis history. Step onto the court with the Babolat Pure Aero Rafa 2nd Gen and experience spin, control, and dominance at the highest level. Number 4. Wilson Blade 98. Wilson Blade 98, 16 by 19. V9 unstrung performance tennis racket. Grip size 3, 4 and 3/8 inches. The Wilson Blade 98, 16 by 19. V9 is the ultimate choice for advanced players seeking control, feel, and explosive precision on the court. Built with braided graphite and basalt, this performance racket delivers an exceptional blend of flexibility and stability, giving you superior ball connection and responsiveness with every swing. At 305 grams unstrung, it provides the ideal weight for powerful ground strokes while maintaining maneuverability for quick reactions at the net. Featuring a 98 square in head size and the popular 16 by 19 string pattern, the Blade 98 V9 generates excellent spin potential and consistent shot accuracy. This open string design enhances control without sacrificing power, making it a perfect racket for aggressive baseliners and all-court players alike. The 4 3/8 inches grip size, Grip 3, ensures a secure, comfortable hold, supporting long rallies and fast-paced play with reduced strain. Unstrung for customization, the Blade 98 V9 allows players to select their preferred string and tension setup, tailoring performance to individual style and preference. With its sleek design and tour-level playability, it's engineered for adults who demand precision, control, and confidence in competitive matches. Whether you're dictating play with heavy topspin, flattening out winners, or charging the net, the Wilson Blade 98, 16 by 19, V9 empowers advanced players to raise their game. Trusted by professionals and serious competitors worldwide, this racket combines cutting-edge design with Wilson's legendary performance heritage. Number 5. Head 2022 Speed. Head 2022 Speed MP Tennis Racket, 4.5 inches grip, white. The Head 2022 Speed MP Tennis Racket is designed for players who value precision, speed, and versatility on the court. Engineered with Graphene 360 Plus technology, this racket enhances energy transfer for explosive power while providing improved flex and a clean, crisp feel at impact. Perfect for players of all skill levels, it offers a balanced blend of control, maneuverability, and spin potential to suit a variety of playing styles. Weighing 11.1 ounces, The Speed MP delivers a lightweight yet solid feel, allowing for fast swings and quick reactions during intense rallies. Its 100 square in head size provides a generous sweet spot for forgiveness on off-center shots, while the 4.5 inches grip size ensures comfort and a secure hold during extended matches. The racket's 27-inch length gives players excellent reach and leverage, making it ideal for both aggressive baseline play and net approaches. Crafted with a durable graphite 360+/graphite frame and shaft, the 2022 Speed MP is built for long-lasting performance and responsiveness. The sleek white design adds a modern, professional look, making it as stylish as it is functional. Whether you're an ambitious intermediate seeking consistency or an advanced competitor demanding precision, the Head 2022 Speed MP is a trusted choice that adapts to your game. With its unique balance of power, control, and spin, this racket empowers players to hit confidently, move swiftly, and dominate every match with speed and accuracy.